everyone, I just received this dome camera and I'm very excited to test it out and get it set up to help keep my home and my family secure. So a dome speed camera is actually a 360-degree camera. So it will rotate all the way around so you can see everything. So you want to really mount it high up, which I'm going to show you as well. You want to mount it high so you can see everything all around your house and get that really good view. It is an HD camera, so it has really clear picture. It has night vision, so you can see at night. It also has two-way talking, an alarm sound, and human and auto tracking. So if anyone is coming towards your house, a car or a person, you can track that using this camera. So let me open up the box. I'll show you what's inside and tell you a little bit more about it. So the first thing inside the box is the quick start guide, and it has really detailed instructions about how to set up the camera. So you will need a computer, you're gonna need your router, and the cords that come in the box. So there's some troubleshooting guides, lots of clear pictures, so you should be able to get the camera up and running really easily just with that. Here is some more information all about the user manual, just some more detailed info. If the quick start guide didn't go over anything, this will. It has some different hardware pieces in here. This is going to be a waterproof cover, so you can use this camera inside or outside, and this is going to help protect those cords and keep them sealed from water because this is an all-weather camera. Here is the power outlet for the camera. It does need to be plugged in, so it's the power adapter, just a simple plug that you're going to use later on. And here is the wall mount for the camera. So if you want to mount it on outside of your home or inside, this is going to hold the camera, and this part is going to go against the wall, and this is where the camera is going to come down, and it's big enough and far enough away from the mount that it can rotate 360 degrees. So the next thing in the box is the camera itself. So here it is. Let's see. It's nicely packaged and wrapped. It is pretty large camera, so keep this in mind when you're getting this camera. It has so many capabilities, but it is pretty big, so you're going to want that wall mount hardware to give the camera really full rotation and make sure it's securely mounted on your house. It does come with this plastic, so that kept it scratch free during packaging. And look at that lens. How amazing is that? That's going to give you such a huge clear picture. You're going to be able to see everything so clearly. This does rotate this direction. As you can see, this is going to go all the way around, and it also goes this way too. So again, you can control everything from the app on your phone or from your computer, and you can really get a full complete view with this camera. You can see everything that's going on. So let's get it set up and test it out and see how it works.